Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. I got another pocket knife to show you. We have a rope knife from the 80s, and this is a Polish Navy rope knife. It's a Gerlach stainless Poland. It's got a can opener and a bottle opener here, and a nice Marlin Spike for untying knots, and the main blade is for cutting through rope. This one had some pretty bad dings in it. I tried to get some of those out, but that's about as far as I could get with it, really. I did sharpen it up. Let's look at the tank stamp there. So this one's been sitting around for a while. I thought I'd bring it out. I wanted to fix up this blade a little bit, and let's just give it a little test on some cardboard here. Does pretty well on the cardboard. I have some rope. It's kind of like a nylon rope, a thin rope. We'll give that a shot. Let's put it on. Just slice through it here. I'm gonna get a piece of paper. I know you guys have seen this before, but I do enjoy it, so it's part of the fun of sharpening your knife is to test it out. Alright guys, that's it. An oldie but goodie. Not too old, 80s, but it's a great knife. Also, if you guys are into knots and stuff, this is a great book right here. If you want to learn about knots, you can learn everything you want to learn. I get into phases where I get into learning about knots, and then I stop for a while, and then I forget it, and I have to go back over it again. But it's a great book to have, and having this kind of made me think of it. So this is fun. It's actually a great meditation, and some good knowledge. So check this book out if you can, if you guys are into knots. Yeah, that's it guys. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.